Hey Vikas, I've been hearing a lot about SIPs, systematic investment plan. Are they really effective for long term financial planning?
Yes, Sapna, SIPs are a way to invest regularly, helping you stay disciplined and potentially navigate market fluctuations over time.
So I invest a fixed amount regularly. How does that help in the long run?
With SIPs, you invest consistently, which helps take probable advantage of market fluctuations through rupee cost averaging. You buy more units at a potentially lower NAV and a fewer at a probable higher NAV, averaging costs over time. This does not guarantee returns, but may reduce market impact.
Oh, so I don't need to time the market?
Exactly. SIPs allow you to invest without worrying about market timing, potentially helping you stay focused on your long-term goals.
So with patience and consistency, I can work towards my financial goals.
Yes, with SIPs, investing regularly over time may help you stay on track to achieve your financial objectives. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.